Hello and welcome to Algebra 1 today. You are going to be looking at what will be the last section of the chapter for us, and that is covering the line of best fit. Now, I'll say this multiple times in the video, but the line of best fit is calculated, or we are calculating it, with an approximation, which means your answers might vary a little bit from what you see in the back of the book if you're just asked to find this equation of a line, because it is a line that goes through data that is an approximation or a predictor of what the next data point will be. So depending on if you're choosing to draw the line somewhere that looks good to you, you might choose something a little different. There are more sophisticated ways to find this line. Typically, it's done with just using a spreadsheet or computer or calculator, but we're not going to get into that, right? So we're going to still just approximate the line, and that's why our answers will vary. So if you get something that's a little off, by one or two numbers or just a decimal or so, no worries there. But if you get something that's way off, you probably did something incorrect. Specifically, you can look at like positive, negative signs, positive, negative numbers. If you're off by a larger scale than what the problem is, then that's something to look for. But reach out if you have questions. This is a very interesting topic in math, and it's very relevant to when you see math in the real world and look at data in the real world. So try to understand this stuff well. And like I said, reach out if you have questions.